Hi guys, how are you? There seemed to be some confusion related with the parameters worksheet. I want to go over a little bit how we're going to do that to make sure that you guys are understanding. Okay. For every sign, there are 5 different parameters that are important. Hand shape, location, palm orientation, movement, and what's called my non-manual markers or non-manual signals. That's everything I do that's not part of the sign. So that's going to be my body movement, my face movement, all of that's included in here. So the paper I gave you lists out on the left side a whole column of words we've learned, and across the top it has the words hand shape, location, palm orientation, movement, non-manual markers. Below those it says dominant and non-dominant hand, meaning you're right-handed or left-handed. You're going to fill out what each of your hands are doing for each of those things for every sign. It's a little bit tedious. It does help you remember them. I'm not going to do it for every unit, every vocab list. It is important that you understand them though. So an example that's not on there, we have not looked at yet, is mom. This is the hand shape for mom. You'll see people say right in the middle of the chin. General rule, you don't want to block your face, so it comes off to the side slightly. So for the sign mom, non-dominant hand, this one, I can just cross that off for all of them. It's doing nothing. My non-dominant isn't being used for this sign. My dominant hand, on the other hand, my hand shape is a 5. This is the shape of my hand. My location is thumb on chin. My palm orientation is sort of towards the non-dominant side. So you could write to the side or towards your non-dominant side. Really, I couldn't make it go the other direction. So if you write to the side, I'll get that. Movement. Some people will just put it here. Most do a slight bounce. So you could do tapping motion, movement, tap chin. Non-manuals, my mouth moves M-U-M. So it's not a full mom. So that would be my non-manual. That's how I would fill out each of these. To look at one that's on there, hello. Hello, while I've seen an English version with an H, I'm going to ask that we don't do it. Hello. 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 It's going to depend on how you sign it for the first one. Again, my non-dominant, you can just cross off. It's not doing anything. It's just hanging out. For my dominant, my hand shape's going to depend on your kind of variation because you'll see hello, hello. So if you're doing it this way, it would be a B hand shape. That's my hand shape. If you're doing it this way, you can do a closed 5, 5 closed, closed 5. My location. Where does this sign happen? Location of the beginning of the sign, fingertips touching forehead. My palm orientation. My palm is out. This isn't right. This isn't right. Palm is out. My movement from forehead away from my body, up and away. There's my movement. My non-manuals, eyebrows up. I wouldn't say and look angry. My eyebrows are up. Hi, how are you? Eyes up. I tend to add the mouth up high. It's something I do. It's not technically part of the sign. There we go. Eyebrows up. I hope that helps you guys. I had a couple questions about it, so I wanted to make sure that there was some clarification. Let me know if you still have any questions on how to do these. Oh, just an example on why these are important. I believe we've done meet. To meet, you're going to fill out both hands because I have a right dominant and my non-dominant. My dominant's here, my non-dominant's here. They meet this way. But my palm orientation of facing each other is important. My palm orientation not being this way is important. I went from meeting somebody to lying on top of somebody. A little bit different. Other examples. Mom, we just did. We went through the whole thing. But if my location is wrong and I sign it here, it became Dad. So the change of any one of these things can drastically alter the entire meaning of the sign. Nice. Movement, it goes out once. We learned this one. Nice. But if I do it multiple times, it just became school. So my movement completely changed the meaning. Nice. Sorry. Became clean. Brain's not working. Nice. Clean. Now, if I change the movement again, my downward movement, my clapping, the only difference is this movement, it's now school. So I have nice, clean, school, or if it moves back, paper. Everything was exactly the same except for my movement, 4 different signs. Nice, clean, school, paper. So making sure we have the correct parameters is going to be really important to the signs being accurate. Hope that helped you guys.